think this method works really well for being able to get a board that's not straight and get it straightened out. It's difficult sometimes to, especially if they're long. If you have one of these little deals here, the edge clamp, this one's by Bora. What I realized could be done was this straight edge, you could clamp it there and use that straight edge to go up against the fence, and that would guide it well. But the problem was just this little knob control right there created a little bit of an issue. So what I thought I could do is create something that had a lower profile than this, the width of that, and this was the only thing I had around. You could certainly make something else or whatever, but it seems to work fine, a little T-angle square for sheetrock. So what I'm going to do to make that stay in place when I cut is just put a couple of drops of hot glue, there it comes, just right there to hold that in place, like so. I'm trying to get it out there. So. Okay. Turn on my vacuum. Now I've got a nice straight edge I can put up against the fence. Feels pretty good.